Hello and welcome to Steel Made. In this video, I am going to be unboxing a Slim starter kit. Let's open it up. All right, what do we have inside? To start, we have the utensils and it's the utensils kit. So you'll have a slotted spatula, a solid spatula, a scraper, and then 2 bottles. The bottles are empty, so you can fill them with whatever you want. I usually do water in one and oil in the other. Then we have some flat top scrub. I'll go ahead and open this real quick. It'll be wrapped in a bubble wrap because it is glass. Flat top scrub is great to get any food that's stuck onto the flat top off of the flat top. And we have some flat top oil for the seasoning process. And then it looks like the manual. So in the manual will be the drip tray. And I can feel it inside of here, but I'm not gonna take it out because we will box this one back up and ship it out. But you will have a drip tray that comes with every flat top. So make sure you don't throw this packet away because you will want that drip tray to catch all the grease that you scoop into the drip tray holes on the flat top. Inside the manual is a very colorful, pictured, detailed instructions, how to use it for the first time, to clean it, everything. Please make sure you check out the manual, take a look at it, read it. It'll help you a lot and answer almost all of your questions. Then I think we have the Slim flat top. Whoop. This is the Slim flat top. It's made to cover 2 burners on a stove. It can be used on a coiled stove or a gas stove. It cannot be used on an electric stove because it slides all over too much, but it'll sit directly on the coils or on the grates of a gas stove or an electric coiled stove. You have your drip tray holes here to scrape all of your grease into there. It just sets nicely over 2 burners like this. And it's kind of a great size because then you'll also have 2 burners or however many burners you have on your stove, open and available to use for other pots if you're making stew or rice or anything like that. And I believe that's all in the starter kit. That kit is an awesome kit to, of course, begin with. That's why it's called the starter kit. But if you have any questions about any of these products or anything that I just showed you, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa.com or visit our website anytime and go to the Help Center, and there's lots of answers or questions answered there, along with chat support is often available. Thank you and have a great day.